to Sea Flurb's Fresh Noodle Fridays. Today we're making a Filipino classic. We're making Filipino spaghetti. What makes it Filipino? Well, first of all, it is super sweet, just like any Filipino recipe out there. There's a lot of sugar that's added to it. However, my version is definitely a mix between Italian and Filipino style. So I personally don't like it super sweet, super red, super radioactive looking. It's not really me. So just bear that in mind and let's go give it a try. I bet you weren't expecting the hot dogs in there. It's definitely a classic Filipino dish, is a favorite amongst Filipinos. I hope you enjoyed it, my own little take on it. And don't forget to like, rate, and subscribe in the link down below. And also hit that notification bell so you don't miss any new videos coming out. See you guys!